What's up, guys? It's Mr. Tech Guy here with a video about dropshipping, the beginner's guide for how to start doing it from scratch. Before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. But let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to make sure you do when you're starting is finding a product. You want to make sure your product is trending, it's on the up, and you want to make sure the consumers and the people are excited about it. You don't want them to be not caring, bored about it, or just not interested. And you might be wondering how to find this product. You can use social media looking for ads or people using this product. And you can also just look it up on Google. Just say, hey, what are the top 10 drop shipping products? And it'll give you an idea usually. Next, you want to make sure you got your store or your website. And you want to make sure it is enticing and it makes people want to stay there, looks nice. You want to make sure it tells about your product, it is informational, and you want to make sure it also makes them want to spend their money. It's easy for them to pay, like an easy add to cart, easy checkout. And then next is there are 3 different types of stores. There are general stores, which means you get a variety of things you're selling, not just a single thing, which is our next store, which is just one thing, and hybrid stores, which you can swip and swap, see which item is the best. General stores are good because you can sell a bunch of things, meaning you might get a hit, a sell or two, but they're usually the worst of the 3. Single stores are the second best because they get focus and you're going to get more sales. Hybrids are the best because you can see what's good, what's not good, and an example of a single store is this dropship website right here, Fitballs, and then it's all about your massage ball. I just found this randomly looking up dropship stores. You can see it's super informational, tells you all about the product. It looks really nice. All these different photos, the reviews, and easy enough is how you can buy. You can just buy now, go to the cart, and boom, they just got your money and you just got that. It's super easy. That is like your goal when you're making your website. But yeah, that's about it with your store. You want to try to make a hybrid store if you're starting off. And the third thing is marketing. You want to make sure you can get your product out. You want to make it known. You want people to know that you're the guy they want to go to buy. So the way you do this is by going to Facebook ads or really anywhere that you can do ads. And you want to make a really nice ad that makes a product look good. It's a well put together ad. Like it flows nicely. But you can also pay a social media influencer to pretty much just shout out your product, try to make people or their followers buy it, which usually works pretty well. You can use anything, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, anything you like. And if you did these 3 steps, it works out, you're getting a lot of sales, then yay, super great. But the reality of it is, it's probably not going to happen. You're probably going to flop and get like $0. You might lose money because you have to spend money on ads. But that's okay. That happens to nearly all the starters. Never seen someone who did it first try. And the way you fix this is just by to analyze your process and what went wrong. If you had a bunch of people visiting the website, that means your ad was good, but either your website is bad and you need to improve that, or your product is bad and you need to change that. If you don't have any visits on your website, that means your ad is bad and you need to improve your ad or change how you're going about it. And once you do that and you're actually starting to see some revenue, you're starting to get a little bigger, you want to grow, you want to expand, you want to get new products, more ads, spend more money on ads. And as bigger you get, the more revenue you get. So it's all about expanding and getting bigger. Well, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial for beginner dropshipping. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.